Okay, this is the 1986 Ford F-250 with 73,756 miles on it. It's got the four-wheel drive down here, XLT model, power windows, power door locks, radio with the tape player, cruise. Everything works on this truck. I've spent a lot of time, blood, sweat, tears, getting this truck kind of all dialed in. AC was definitely retrofitted just recently just to make sure that it's functioning. I want to show you all that. So we're gonna do a startup video, walk around to this while it's running. This truck has been started in the last little bit, so I can do a cold start, but it does fire up really, really nice. Even I'm not gonna touch the gas at all. So idles right at about 800 RPM. It's no gas at all, so, and it runs real good. I'm gonna turn on the radio here for you. Got new speakers, new Pioneer speakers over there, 6-inch. But everything works here.
59 KLZX.
Pop the hood for us and we can listen to the engine here. I'll turn the air conditioner on so you can see. Nice and cold. All right, let's pop the hood here. There it is, the mighty 7.5 liter 460. Look how cool this inspection light is. It pulls out, and then it retracts back in. There's a reel right there. New battery, just this month. AC was retrofitted just last month. Just has a really nice, I've got a magnet flow on here. Let me see if I can, yeah, magnet flow, and it sounds nice. Nice deep sound to it. Wheel arches, nice and clean. Runs and drives great. There's your locking hubs, free. Overall, really good shape. See that it's nice and straight up front, hasn't been smashed up, dented. Man, it runs good. Air conditioning's blowing. Head goes down. Check out those badges. Get a thermometer out one of these days. I don't have one with me, but I can do that. Air conditioning's on. All the speeds work. Ooh, let's do the fuel tank. So the fuel tanks both work. So I'll show you, this is the rear. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to the front. Takes a while for it to move. They're about the same as far as the amount of gas that's in them. But it does switch over. Switch back to rear. I got lots of documentation on this truck. All the manuals, lots of stuff that I've done to it. It's cool, the jacking instructions right here. Four-wheel drive instructions are right here. Always thought that was kind of cool. But yeah. Let's see if I do the lights. You can't really see it. I'll do a dark video one of these days. I press on the awesome switch down here and look, I got high beams. Anyway, great truck. Any questions or comments, let me know. I'll be happy to answer anything. A6 Ford F-250 on Bring a Trailer.